In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto update in the GOG app so your games can stay updated automatically without you having to check for patches every time. This is a super simple setting, but once you turn it on, it can save you a lot of time and make sure your games are always ready to play with the latest fixes and improvements. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your computer and wait for it to load fully. Once you're inside the app, look at the left-hand menu. You should see a cog icon there, and that is where the settings are located. Go ahead and click that cog icon to open the settings panel. After that, you'll see a menu with different settings categories. Make sure you are in the Game Features tab from the left menu. This is important because the auto update option is located inside that section, not in the general settings or account area. Once you are in the Game Features tab, look for the option that says Auto Update Games. To enable Auto Update, simply click the box next to Auto Update Games. As soon as you check that box, the setting will be turned on and GOG will be able to update your games automatically whenever updates are available. If you want to confirm everything is set correctly, you can leave the settings page and return later to see that the option remains enabled. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've enabled auto update in the GOG app and made it much easier to keep your games current without doing it manually. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides, tips, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.